guys, hello guys, welcome to Minecraft again. This is me, Sedgeval, and I'm playing Minecraft. So this is the map Jurassic Park, and I did I just downloaded this map. Uh, downloaded this. So I'm gonna tour you guys on all map. So let's go. We're going to I'm gonna find some map, something here. Oh, there's a bathroom. I'm going here to follow this. There's some villagers in there.
Hey, bathroom guy. I'm here
I'm
too.
gonna go here. Oh, this is T-Rex cage. So cool, right? And there's no T-Rex because this map is for computer, for you putting a mod and putting a T-Rex. So yep, going into another cage. And what's that? I'm going there. So let's see where it leads us. So what is that? Oh, this is maybe the Stegosaurus Center. You can see it. And guys, don't forget to leave a like on my video. And oh, this is the lake. And this is like that leads you nowhere that you don't know. So we'll go now. Let's go there first. Then we can just gonna show you the whole map. See. And this is the gonna follow the trail. We're gonna follow this one. Lead us. I hope we can see the raptor cage. Oh no, this is the, what is it? I don't know what it's called, but maybe this is the oh, I guess go helicopter of Jurassic Park. And oh, maybe the ACU or the engine. And we go. This is a dead end now. Excuse me. And we are going there and going to somewhere. Faster, run faster. Run. Just gonna fly, run, fly, run. Let's go down to this trail. Maybe lead us to Raptor, or just gonna first this. It's there, and then there.
Susukiran natin kung super combo. Isa ako para mag-flex lang.
Oh, and please watch my other video, my first video on. This is the pond. And I'm gonna go the other side, which video and the food center. And we're gonna go there,
Bidak.
and I'm gonna follow the trail. Two rails.
Okay.
Just perfect. And this is the pterodactyl cage. We're gonna go to the other rail. And this is the hot air balloon center. And we're going to this trailer now. And this is not like it's like a center, or there's black mud on the tower.
Guys, ako to.
And
Bilis,
we're gonna
bilis na ako.
gonna go to the other trail now. And please definitely comment what is what is this, and what is that? What is those buildings? But I didn't know. So we're almost there. We're here. We are almost done. And 7 minutes. Oh, this is the first where you came from, and like going there, and then going to the find the raptor cage. Maybe the raptor cage. Did you hear? I don't know. Maybe
Ang bulok.
fun. Didn't
Kung ang bulok.
see.
Sabi ng kalaban.
Oh, this one. Okay. I don't understand. Maybe this.
Lojat.
Doon na kayo Ami. And what is? Maybe this is the raptor cage now. What is it? No, this is the helicopter side. Oh, there. Yeah. Helicopter side. Yeah, VIP. And where John Hammond's see his family. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe me on YouTube, and goodbye.